If you can't play online in WWE 2K25 game and you get this error which say attention, an error occurred while retrieving the latest data from the server, please try again later. Now the reason you see this error message is because it's not about your device or internet, but the issue is on the end. Their online services are experiencing a problem, and it usually occurs when WWE 2K servers are down. If you go to various forums like the WWE 2K25 subreddit, you can see those people complaining regarding the same issue. So this occurs when their online services are experiencing a problem. It usually occurs when WWE 2K servers are down. You'll need to wait until the servers are restored, which will typically take like a few hours. Allow up to 4 hours. Just wait, then try to relaunch the game, and hopefully this will just resolve by itself. Try to restart your device and the router, then relaunch the game again. If it all fails and you've waited longer, you can try connecting to a different network, such as using a phone hotspot or a different Wi-Fi network. But this error message, as you see here on the screenshot, which say an error occurred while retrieving the latest data from the server, please try again later, which prevents you from playing online. You'll have to wait since this occurs as a result of a servers being down. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this has helped you, and see you next time.